My friends, so I'm going to buy a new coin. I'm on Trust Wallet. I click D apps and I go to Uniswap, and now I have to find the coin that I'm going to buy. I have the contract address. I had already copied it. So it's called Shiba Inu. Yes, it says trade at my own risk. I know, so I uploaded it. And I'm just going to buy right now just $3,000 worth of Shiba. So I click here. I'm a screenshot. And when I say $3,000 worth, that's what Ethereum is right now, 3,300. So I bought Shiba. Remember, these coins are a 1-star coin. They're not 5-star coins. 5-star coins, you need to have 70% of your portfolio in it. Romeo the Professor. 5-star coins are like Ethereum, Binance, Bitcoin, okay? And then Polkadot, Cardano. And then you can have a little money in Dogecoin. Those are 5-star coins. So Shiba Inu that I just now bought right now on Uniswap. You see it right here, SHIBU. It's a 1-star coin. I bought it so that if it goes up 100%, immediately I'll make a good $6,000 on it. Okay, that's why I bought $3,000. If it goes down, I'll probably put another $3,000 in it. I am Romeo the Professor. Click the link in my bio for free. Enter your name and email address. It is the investor will email you a lesson a day for free. I am Romeo the Professor. I just now bought ETH, Shiba right here. I'm backing out. It's pending right now. As you can see, we'll wait to see if it goes through. It just now went through, so I should have Shiba pop up somewhere here. $3,000 worth. Let's see. I bought $3,000 worth. Let's see if it pops up. It should pops up. Let me re-clear it. Let's see if it pops up. I might have to go Shiba right here. So I just now bought this token, Shiba Inu. If you look at the graph, all right, right now, it says today, the day it went up. It's saying day 4%, but if we click the week, just the week alone, it went up a huge amount of percent, 65%. But if we click the month, we see that it did huge numbers for the month, about 4,000%, which is huge. But it was at 36 and now it's at 16, so it took a 15% dip. But if we look at the week, it's increasing again. So that's why I only bought $3,000 worth of it. As you can see, this is Shiba Inu. I am Romeo the Professor. I'm gonna go to their website right now. See right here. I am Romeo the Professor. Remember, you can always click the link in my bio for free. Enter your name and email. A to Z investor will email you a lesson a day for 3 days. See, so this is the white paper. That's who they are. Okay. Shiba is an experiment, decentralized, spontaneous community builder. We locked the 50%. So it's doing a lot of things. How to buy. It shows you how to buy Shiba. And it's on the Ethereum. They have a Shiba swap is undergoing security tests, audits, and final updates to prepare for a safe launch. So it's solid. I am Romeo the Professor. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.